Pritunl is a popular VPN solution, but before you decide whether it's right for you, there are 12 things you need to know. We'll walk through its pros and cons, comparing it to other VPN providers to help you make an informed decision. First off, Pritunl offers an open-source VPN, which is different from most competitors. While companies like NordVPN and ExpressVPN operate on closed-source platforms, Pritunl allows you to view and modify the source code. This gives you more control and transparency over your data and connection, but it can also be a little daunting for those who aren't tech-savvy. The second thing you need to know is that Pritunl is geared toward businesses, not casual consumers. Unlike the user-friendly setups of services like CyberGhost or Surfshark, Pritunl can be a bit complex for those just looking to secure their personal browsing. It's designed for teams and organizations, which makes it more suitable for enterprise-level use. Next, Pritunl offers strong security features, with OpenVPN and WireGuard protocols available. While these are solid options, competitors like ExpressVPN also offer robust encryption, though they have a wider range of protocols available. Pritunl's focus on a smaller selection could be a positive or negative, depending on your needs. The fourth thing to consider is its compatibility. Pritunl supports all major platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it can be easily integrated into existing IT infrastructure. However, if you're looking for a VPN that's compatible with a wider variety of devices like gaming consoles or smart TVs, services like NordVPN or Surfshark may serve you better. Another key point is pricing. Pritunl's free tier offers basic features, but to access more advanced options, you'll need to pay. The pricing structure is generally competitive, but it's important to note that many consumer-focused VPNs, like ExpressVPN, include more features at a similar price point. Next, Pritunl is known for offering a lot of customization, especially for advanced users. You can tweak server configurations, user management, and security settings, which is a plus for IT professionals. But for those just looking to connect and forget about it, this might feel overwhelming. The seventh thing to keep in mind is that Pritunl doesn't offer a built-in kill switch or split tunneling features by default. While these can be added with some customization, they're not as intuitive or simple to set up as with other VPNs, such as with ProtonVPN or CyberGhost, where these features are pre-configured. In terms of speed, Pritunl delivers solid performance, but it can't quite match the speeds you get with other services like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. If speed is your top priority, especially for streaming or gaming, you might find competitors to be a better fit. The ninth thing is Pritunl's server network. It doesn't have as wide a network of servers as the bigger VPNs. With services like Surfshark or CyberGhost offering thousands of servers worldwide, Pritunl's smaller network may limit your options for connecting in certain locations. Next up, customer support. While Pritunl offers decent support for troubleshooting, it lacks the live chat support and 24/7 service that larger companies like NordVPN or ExpressVPN provide. You might have to rely on community forums or submit a ticket for help, which can be frustrating if you run into issues. The 11th thing to know is its logging policy. Pritunl, as an open source provider, claims to have a strict no logs policy. However, since it's self-hosted, the implementation of this policy is more dependent on how you set it up, so it might not provide the same peace of mind as no-log VPNs, like ExpressVPN. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Pritunl doesn't offer as many additional features as other VPN services. You won't get things like ad blocking or malware protection out of the box, features that are often included with competitors like NordVPN or Surfshark. In conclusion, Pritunl is a great option for businesses and advanced users who need customization and control. However, if you're looking for something simpler or more feature-packed for personal use, you might want to explore other options. If you want to try a better solution, check out our recommended VPN, which you can try for free.